How to apply for Ulta returns. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to apply or return a product to Ulta Beauty, you can either visit a store or ship it back by mail as well. Ulta allows return for a new or gently used item, typically within 60 days of the original purchase date, to receive a full refund in the original format of payment as well. Now, if you want to do it in store, you just have to make sure to include all the original packaging and any gift with the purchase if applicable. And you also need to bring your original receipt or order confirmation email. And if you are an ultimate reward member, the cashier can look up your transaction using your phone number or member ID even if you've lost the receipt. An item bought at an Ulta Beauty at Target must be returned to a Target store, not a standalone Ulta as well. And if you want to do it online, you just make sure to log into Ulta and just go to the menu bar and locate order history and select the order to create a self-service shipping label or obtain a QR code as well. Next, you could use the original packaging if possible, and you could also drop the package off at the UPS location if using a QR code or the provided label as well. And that is basically how you're supposed to apply for all time returns. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.